herbs for PCOS ovulation. Do you have PCOS and irregular cycle, making it hard to ovulate? As ginseng specializes in fertility, we researched the scientific literature on herbal medicines for PCOS and want to share 4 amazing ovulation boosting herbs. First is red raspberry leaf, which is uterine tonic loaded with fertility promoting vitamins and minerals. Multiple studies confirm it can stimulate ovulations and balance hormones. Second is dangui root, Angelica sinensis. Dangui is helping to increase the circulation to the uterus and is iron-rich for proper blood formation, tones and strengthens the uterus by regulating hormonal control, and improves the timing of menstrual cycle and improve ovulation. Third on the list is tribulus. Tribulus may normalize ovulation when used preparatory to ovulation. It may help to increase sex hormones production, especially serum FSH and estradiol levels in women. And last but not least is inositol, an insulin sensitizing supplement that evidence-based research has demonstrated can induce ovulation and restore menstrual cycles. So stay tuned for learn more about research behind using these 4 safe and effective herbs and supplement strategy to promote your ovulation.